Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Karrie here. So today we're gonna start Google Docs first option, that is share, right? So if we click on file menu in the menu bar and you click on the share option, right? So what is the share? When you click on the share, you get a pop-up right here that where you want to share, right? The share with the group and people, right? So I can add people, right? The people I want to share with, right? And I can add multiple people or I can add multiple groups as well, right? So here I have a different option like what kind of role I want to give that user, right? I want to give him a viewer option, I want to give him a commenter option, right? He can only comment and view, or he can also edit with me, right? So these kind of option I can give. Here I have a message, I can type my message like, hi, please edit this file with me, right? So if I click on notify people, it means a notification or email will send to them, right? Otherwise it will not send to them, right? So I will click on notify people and I will write down a message, and when I click on send, right, so it will send to the user, right? Here are the share with the people setting, right? So these are some kind of setting you can select, right? So I am going to back. So if I click on send, automatically this file will be sent with the user and that person will be the added, right? And right now I have shared with the person, I give him the editor role, right? So that he can edit his file with me, right? So the file is same, the just I shared with a different person, so he can also now edit that file with me, right? So that is the benefit of share option, right? In file you guys just need to click on share, right? Or just click on the blue option here, right? I click on share button, right? And the same option will appear in front of me, right? You guys can share, or these are the people where I have shared. For example, I want to remove someone, right? I will click on this, right? And here I have an option, I can remove this, right? And after that save. So you guys can see now, this is how I can share a file with someone, or I can remove a person which is already have access to this file. So hope you guys like this video, right? So I request you guys, those are new on this channel, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and please do comment about how you think about the video, right? And hope you guys will enjoy the next topic, right? We are coming with the new topic in the next video, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, have a very good day.